Welcome back to my channel. Now we're going to do a top analysis on GBPUSD, that's JPY basket aligning with GPUSD to show us the direction of where JPY pounds is going to. I took a break for some time because I was in a losing streak. That was in February, and I was like, okay, I need to practice because I'm a 9 to 5. I need to find out what really works for me as a 9 to 5 trader, and we're getting there to be a swing trader. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, which tells the direction of the market, the monthly and the daily time frame kind align with each other. And we have a break of structure here as major structural break. That's what to candle major break structural break. That's the break of structure, external range, liquidity being taken out, making this area a high range to this level, right? Sorry, that's a range from here to here. That upside is a range. Then I also have what, a break of structure here, making this an order block. This is just liquidity that was being taken up, which signaled to us that liquidity was going to be cleared down, which price has done already. And we have a daily range, a range here on the monthly time frame from here to signaling it here, this low here as a break of structure, or external range liquidity taken on a monthly time frame. And this is a range from here, from this high to this low is a full range. Now using our Fibonacci from the what, from the weekly time frame, from this high to this low, we know that we are price currently is at a discount level. And if you look inside here, price also did an external range liquidity around here. You can see it, right? External range liquidity around here, and price also what, shifted structure either here or here. You can take this either two side, that is breaker block or a mitigation block, a failed swing structure. Now we have a range from here also. I can pick this one on top of here, right? And don't forget our Fibonacci from this high to this low. I have also checked the news, and we have news only on Tuesday for GPUSD and JPY pounds, signaling to us that we are in a discount level, making this an order block which can come. We don't know when it's going to reach here back. 1 MNOB IRL, and we have what, a breaker block or a mitigation block here. Now we know that price has taken out liquidity here as external range liquidity, but currently where is price? Currently price is still bearish because the last load that was taken with a body was around here. All these are liquidity, is like in a range. This whole section is in a range, but the last break of structure here that price is showing us currently is still fully bearish. Now looking at this area here, this is the last swing point that was here. I can categorize as a break of struggle. This is an order block for one big time frame. Because on the 1 month time frame, we're still told that we are still bearish. But looking at the weekly time frame, right? There was a fair value gap that price is still struggling with around here, which price keeps tapping into. It tapped in there, it pulled down again. But now looking at this whole scenario, I can categorize this as another block. I'll delete this Fibonacci for the weekly time frame because it has a swing point below here. And also using the main structure for the weekly time frame, I'll take this one here. I had to learn that ICT marks market structure in two different ways, the major structure and the minor structure. And you can see that we're still in the discount level. Can you see it yourself? Price is still at the discount level, so I'm expecting price here to come down a little bit and go up here or here, right? Now we're going to our daily time frame because daily and monthly kind of align with each other. Now looking at this structure, don't get yourself confused. This is also a range from here. You can see the range, right? Okay, I'll delete. This is the range from the monthly time frame. Now on the daily time frame, I have a break of structure here, and I also have a break of structure here, and I also have a change of character here. You see it yourself. Price came and tapped on the rejection block here, if you can see it. And price, if you look inside here, there's a swing point inside here that price did a shift of market structure inside, as an, I'll call it external range liquidity, and also took liquidity above here. Now this is the new range. From this low to this recent high is a range. I'm using my Fibonacci from this high to this low. This is the major range. What do I call this? I'll call this my order block. You see it, an order block on 1 day. And I'm expecting price to clear out that high range up there. Do you see? Because it has liquidity above. Do you see it? We also have structures, a minor structure inside here, which is a change of character. And we also have a break of structure here also. But looking inside here, I take this also, I clone it also as a break of structure too. You see, making it an order block, Fibonacci from this high to this low. But I'm also in a major structure for what? For an order block here. I come down to my 4 hours time frame. On my 4 hours time frame, what do I see? This is what? A break of structure here. External range liquidity is there, right? There was a minor change inside here, but what happened? Price still violated it, did a some kind of manipulation around here. You can see it yourself. Kind of manipulation, shifted structure around here. And now, what am I looking at? On the 4 hours time frame, I'm expecting this high to be broken. Or if price want to create another structure in here. But to counter trade it, that's for counter trading. If you want to counter trade this market, we're expecting price to shift structure here on 15 minutes. That's the difference. So what indirectly, I'm waiting for a change of character around here on 1 hour. So there's no trade for me. I'm just watching. I'm just watching it. So that is a change of character for me here, or price get another swing point below there for me to know that yes, there's a trade for me, because I want to swing trade. The trading does not work for me. I'm a 9 to 5, so it's very difficult for me to trade. Like holding my phone at work is very risky for me. So I'm trying to build something that can favor me while I go to work every day, and I'm not scared. I can leave my phone at home and come back at home and place a trade. So until price creates something here on the 4 hours time frame, maybe something like this, then no problem. If not, I wait for this high to be broken out. Or if you want to counter trade from this Fibonacci, from this high to this low, you wait for a change of character on either 30 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame. But for now, price is just reacting on the other block of 15 minutes. If you can see it yourself, the structural break of 15 minutes. So in that the price is just reacting on the 15 minutes. So until price breaks that high, that's when you categorize it as a full counter trade on JPY baskets. So we're waiting for a change of character on 15 minutes on 4 hours to swing trade that market to take out external range liquidity above here. If not, because it didn't get to this other block either. It just moved off and started pushing down. So I'm waiting for a change of character on 4 hours time frame to take that trade and clear this high. Indirectly, if that day happens and it buys, that means normally price is on what is on an order block on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, it has not yet shifted market structure, but price bounced at a structure here, an order block. You can see the other block here. Price bounced on it. Can you see it yourself? Price bounced on the other block. And what are we looking for? A change of character. So if this there buys up, that means I'm looking for sell down. All I'm looking for sell down, there's a break of structure here, and from this high to this low. Also, what is also scary is that there's also a structural break inside here again. Maybe a form of liquidity. But on this time frame, price is not yet ready. Price is not yet ready yet. So let's see how it goes. I hope this video was very impactful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and ask your questions. Thank you so much.